Oh, hey!
Hi.
Paisley's back. How are you doing?
Yeah,
What's
good.
up? Was it weird watching yourself on video last time? Paisley's been with us before. She had a lesson.
Yep.
If you didn't watch it. It's
Click
here.
this button.
No, it's on this side.
Click that button.
That button. Yeah. Was it weird watching yourself on video?
It was weird.
You did so well though.
But it was nice to see how I positioned myself.
And some people think you sound like Lewis Hamilton, and some people think you don't.
I don't.
Austin Metro was like, Francis, you're an idiot. And then someone commented underneath, I can hear it though. We're gonna do manoeuvres today.
Yep.
We're in a car park and we're gonna do bay parking because you've forgotten the reference points. Moving the car at slow speeds is difficult. And I wanna help you with both of those things. Do your manoeuvre with the same reference points every time. Comes out exactly the same. Cool. Let's start. Let's go into first gear, and we're going to perfect this clutch control. The biting point is a really thin piece in the clutch. So the clutch is this wide, and the biting point is just this bit here. And the biting point is power, not speed. So the higher up you come through the biting point, the more power you're delivering to the wheels.
Okay.
So let's say I deliver enough power to get the car moving from stationary. I'm accelerating the car. So I'm gonna go 1-2 miles an hour. Then when my clutch is here and I'm making the car move from stationary, I need to then just dip the clutch a millimeter, or the car's gonna keep accelerating and go 3, 4, 5. So you're never gonna find the right amount of clutch, especially as look at this car park, it like undulates and so you're going up a hill, you'll need a little bit more power to push you forward. You're going down, a little bit less power. So it's not speed, you've gotta always keep moving the clutch, and we call this feathering the clutch. This is another stupid driving instructor saying, like, move the clutch just the thickness of a feather. I know, just the stuff that instructors come out with makes me cringe, because then I say it and I'm like, why did I say that?
Feathering the clutch?
Yeah, like just moving it the thickness of a feather, like a millimeter up for more power, a millimeter down. So instead of like trying to catch it and give it more boom, 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 just move it down when you're going a bit fast, up when you're going a little bit slow. So we're just going to practice that in a straight line, and I want you to move the car to the right and go forward. So get us closer to that black car than the left base.
All right.
Cool. So just check it's clear left and right. Nice. And then bring the clutch up nice and slow. When the car starts moving, hold the clutch, and then when you're happy with the speed, start feathering. Start feathering. I need to find a better word for that. So dip it a millimeter, because we're going to keep going fast. Yes, perfect. And then keep it going like up, down, to find the perfect speed.
I'm usually really good with my clutch control.
Nailed it. Like, this is great. No, that's it. You're doing it. That's the perfect speed for a manoeuvre. That's exactly what we want.
Okay.
What I say is line up the first line of your bay with your feet. So just imagine that line is running all the way across, and we want it to go underneath your feet.
Right.
Cool?
Okay.
And then stop, check around, signal, and go into the bay. Break it down into 3 stages. Stage 1, line up the line with your feet. Stage 2, check and signal, the safety bit. Stage 3, move then steer.
Right.
So
line the line up with your foot.
Look on the left and get one of the lines of the bay and line it up with your feet, And then stop when you get there.
Okay. Say about that.
Let's go for that next one.
Oh, the next one, okay.
Yeah. So remember where your feet are. Like, your feet are about here in the dashboard, right?
Okay.
Cool. Stop.
About there?
Perfect, yes, right there. Break.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, feet here, lined up with the line here.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, yeah.
And then we're going to do stage 2, safety bit.
Signal?
Yeah, check around, make sure that the car park's clear, and signal.
Yep.
And then move, then steer. Remember clutch control?
Yeah.
Steer fast, drive slow.
Okay.
Ready. As soon as you start moving, start steering. Boom, perfect. All the way. And then when you're parallel, straighten up. Not yet.
Don't think I made that.
Not yet. Not yet. 3, 2, 1, straighten up and keep driving forward. Perfect. Stop. Okay, cool, nice. Where's the line? There's the line. We in the line?
On it.
On the line.
On it.
Okay, cool. We can perfect that.
Just about in.
We can perfect that next time. Should we do it again?
Yeah. So up, over.
You did really well with the
clutch
control.
Is that in
That was
reverse?
perfect. No, not yet.
Shit.
Take it all the way to the left and then down. Yeah, perfect. Nice. And you get the.
Cool. Sweet.
Oh, keeping everyone safe. Nice 6-point check. Loving your work.
Don't want to hit those bullards. Any bullards?
Turn now. Left. And keep looking left and right, making sure the car park's clear.
Yeah.
Lovely jubbly. Great, stop there.
Yeah.
And this might take a few goes. Like if you're driving and doing this with your mum or dad or friends or family, it might take a few goes to like perfect it because you're doing 3 things at once, right?
Yeah.
You're doing feet, hands, and eyes.
Yeah.
To get them all married up and get in the right process is difficult.
But
So
that's
just
driving.
persevere.
That's juggling a lot of plates.
It is,
at the
but do
same
you remember
time.
your first lesson? That was hard. Like when you first get in the car and have to control an actual car, that's hard work. But you get used to it and you get good at it.
Right. So line up my foot with the line of the first bay,
That's stage 1.
and then check around, signal,
Perfect.
and then maneuver in.
Great. Let's get it done.
Okay, cool. But we would do that faster.
Don't have to. It's a driving test. You're going to be in a really quiet car park.
Right.
Once you've passed your test, you're going to be so good at it. So you're going to
Yeah.
just be able to go and get it done. Probably not even stop. You can just do check, signal, and
Yeah,
drive
I've
in.
not used the foot with the line as a reference point before.
Cool.
That's new for me. Okay, I'll say about that.
Yeah, perfect.
Da, da, da.
Nice.
No children to kill.
That one was perfect. This one's perfect.
I hope so.
Yeah. Look where the line is. We're coming in hot.
Coming in hot. Ooh. This is impulsive.
Look at that. Look at that. Super close. Nice.
There you go.
That's perfect. Open door.
Oh yeah.
Can you see? Yeah. Line on that side. Line on that side. And that took you 2 goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is brilliant. A new reference point. I quite like the feet one because your feet never move. If you use points on the door, like the mirrors and stuff might move. And you just have to remember that cake recipe.
Yeah.
And it happens perfectly just like that every time.
Cool.
Cool. So I'm going to turn the cameras off. Quick drone shot, sick edits on the video too.
Yeah.
And then you can have another go. Happy with that?
Yeah. Cool.
Peace.
Bye.